Each second, somewhere on Earth, a bird awaits to enchant us, to fascinate us, to leave us in awe. Each one carries a story, a song, a purpose. And what if I told you that at the very heart of our planet, there is a place where this diversity reaches its greatest manifestation? A country where colors, shapes, sizes and movements unfold in a spectacle like no other. Peru, home to more than 1,900 bird species to observe. In Peru, every morning the country awakens with a song. And every habitat becomes a stage where colors and melodies merge into a natural show. Across the planet, it is estimated that there are around 10,000 bird species. Some migrate thousands of kilometers each year. Others remain here with us in our country all year round. Unique in their plumage, an attribute as beautiful as it is functional. Light bodies shaped by evolution to conquer the skies, and others with talents of their own. Descendants of the great dinosaurs, they are part of a story that began millions of years ago, and more than 1,900 of these species continue to fly and sing in our beautiful Peru to this day. Peru is an extraordinary country, blessed with a breathtaking geography. Here, 3 worlds merge within a single territory, making us one of the most mega-diverse nations on the planet. On the coast, abundance is born from the eternal meeting of the desert's aridity and the ocean's richness. Here, where the waves of the Sea of Grau touch our shores, life flourishes in remarkable forms. Pelicans, Inca terns, boobies and cormorants thrive in this ecosystem of contrasts. In the Andes, where the sky shines with an intense blue, birds claim this world as their kingdom. And like eternal guardians, they watch over the legacy of our ancestors. Meanwhile, in other high-altitude habitats with extreme conditions, the adaptation of birds never ceases to amaze us. And in the Amazon, the endless green bursts into a canvas of dazzling colors where a never-ending concert surrounds the senses. Fascinating birds emerge from the dense vegetation, and deep within, where the light barely reaches, the mysterious calls of elusive birds remind us how much there is still to discover. Among all these birds that inhabit such diverse landscapes, there are some that exist nowhere else on Earth. Birds that evolved in very specific areas, adapting to isolated mountains, unique forests, or singular climates. Real gems of our biodiversity. Each one is not only a biological treasure, but also a symbol of who we are. Because when a species exists in only one place, its destiny becomes inevitably intertwined with our own. At the same time, there is another group of birds that shines with a light of its own. Colourful, like fragments of dazzling rainbows. almost magical creatures capable of defying time with an imperceptible beat of their wings. From the coastal valleys to the heights of the Andes, from the misty realms of the humid forests to the depths of the Amazon, these tiny guardians of nectar inhabit every corner of our beautiful Peru. Some are even endemic. Others are critically endangered. And many, though more common, still never cease to fascinate us every time they appear, suspended in the air, as if time itself stood still. Watching them is not just a privilege, it is an experience that transforms you. Birds do more than grace our world with beauty, they sustain it. Each one plays a vital role in the balance of life. They pollinate, disperse seeds, regenerate forests, and transform entire landscapes. But this paradise is fragile. Every year, we lose vital habitats. And if we don't act now, many of these birds will vanish before we even learn their names. Yet, there is hope. To know them is the first step towards protecting what still remains. Today, children look to the skies with wonder. A new generation is beginning to understand that birds are more than beauty. They are identity, history, and future. Now is the time to listen to their song, their call, and to answer. Peru, home to more than 1,900 bird species to observe.